in case you missed it, thousands of people gathered in Central El Paso today for a Thanksgiving Day tradition. That is, of course, the 88th annual Glasheen, Valles, and Inderman Injury Lawyers Stumble Thanksgiving Parade. In what has become the largest community event in West Texas, our KTSM 9 News reporter Jesus Baltazar was at the parade this morning, and he brings us some of those sights and sound. Let's take a look.
As is custom in the borderland's longest-running Thanksgiving tradition, thousands of El Pasoans gathered before a vibrant procession making its way down East Montana. This will mark the 88th annual Thanksgiving parade for the borderland, and we'll take a look at how El Pasoans and their families add their own taste to this yearly tradition.
To us, this is our home on Thanksgiving. You know, we're here at 5 o'clock in the morning. We start, we celebrate.
For the Legarretas, this family tradition spans back over a decade. For other families, it's an over 40-year tradition.
I think what makes it special is that we get to spend time together, you know, come to the exact same spot, you know, just have fun, watch the parade.
We got here yesterday in the afternoon at like about 2:30. We just started setting up, you know, we're making sandwiches, we're eating chicken, and this evening at 2 in the morning we started making menudo.
The breakfast menu varied from family to family. Tamales, pozole, hot chocolate, and coffee. Even for newcomers to El Paso who are just enjoying their second Thanksgiving parade, it becomes an instant tradition.
I think it's one of the coolest things. This is probably one of my favorite duty stations that I've been to in my 10 years of service.
Some arrive early for the annual turkey trot to get an early morning workout.
And this is something that we've done it to exercise before we go and eat, and so that we don't feel as guilty.
The parade serves as a warm-up for the celebrations and feasting for El Pasoans ahead in the day.
Hopefully there'll be some mac and cheese. I've been digging some mac and cheese, and that's pretty much it.
The deviled eggs my dad's made.
Yeah, sure. That is true.
That by far my most favorite childhood memory from Thanksgiving.
Yep.
As to what makes this day special, a resounding Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving from the Beltran.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving.
Spend time with friends and family, so just give thanks for what you've gotten the whole year and what comes in the next year's blessings. So.